Now our setup is ready. We have connected our DVR to the monitor. You can see here, this is our power supply. This is the power supply. These are the two lines. This is the power supply unit. We have connected our phase and neutral to it, and we have taken forward 12 DC from here. This is our driver. We have connected the coaxial cable to the DVR to the pin, and we have connected VGA cable to the monitor. This is our monitor, and we have connected the remote mouse from the DVR. This is our DVR. We can see it. DVR is on, and we have connected our DC adapter to the DVR. And the coaxial cable is connected. It's connected to our bullet camera. This is the coaxial cable, and this is a DC 12 pin, and this is a bullet camera. This is our bullet camera. It's functioning. We can see right now. We can see this monitor is functioning, and our camera. We can see the background that camera is working with our remote. Okay, we can see it. We can see the monitor is coming then. Why? As we are using a single camera, it's only functioning on single window. We can expand it by double clicking in this window voice cursor. Yeah, it's double click, and if we shut on the light, let us see the night vision by shutting off the light. Yeah, we are getting that night vision. That the night vision is working. It's very clear. Yeah, it's clear. We can see the IR which is working on the monitor. Yeah, it's clear. Yeah, it's clear. Thank you for watching. That's nice vision. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and wait for more videos.